Don't look now, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge is on a crazy rip, and you have to. Oh, Professor Meatball, can you come up here and tell me what exactly am I looking at? Oh, I need to zoom out a little bit. That's what people are talking about, the crash, the big crash in Ethereum right now. Professor Meatball and I are going to be able to tell you exactly how you could have predicted this and why this happened. My name is Andrew. I'm a cryptocurrency data scientist, but that is only my day job. My actual passion is giving you guys the tools to get your own passive income, financial freedom, and if you guys are looking for that AMC GME video about what to do about the stock market crashing in tandem, I have the video coming up right after this. So make sure you stay tuned. So we are needing the news story here. CNN Business has it tracked down. $40,000 was Bitcoin's support, and it has crashed below it, now bouncing off of as low as 29,258. How would you have been able to predict it? When are you going to be able to learn about this next dip and the fire sale that you can be able to then rise up in the ranks in the cryptocurrency market? And how do you smash the like button so that we can get up to 1,300 likes on this video? If it isn't quite there yet, comment out which position you are, and let's get going. So Hong Kong business, we just got to know exactly what China said. Prices of cryptocurrency have skyrocketed and plummeted recently, and speculative trading has bounced back. This seriously harms the safety of people's property and disturbs normal economic and financial orders. So with one simple sentence, they said, crypto, not for us, thanks. We're going to send back the order because these altcoins, the ones that have been bruising Bitcoin, have essentially taken the stable coin stability and said, everything must fall, Master Bruce. Why do we fall, Master Bruce? Whatever that line is. Go ahead and take a look at what Ethereum could have looked like if you had the right signals. This is cheat code algorithm. Yes, it does work with cryptos. It actually works with almost any security you can take a look at. And take a look at this 4 out of 4 buy signal early in the morning here. We have 1310 May 19th. I believe this is the East Coast sometime, G something. Buy signal here. We have the squeeze signal. We have the swing signal here. And the rest is history. If you bought in right here, you would have missed what? From 1900 to 2200. You at least wouldn't have missed the massive rip from Ethereum all the way up to 2700. And let's look at that again on the same charts, but with Webull. What part of this would you have been able to catch? Would you have bought in here and then seen the dip here and then gotten really scared? You wouldn't have gotten the buy signal on cheat code until that second dip, and then you would have gotten that epic buy signal. So what does this mean? Well, this also works for Bitcoin as well. You would have seen this buy signal a little bit softer, to be true, but you would have been able to get that buy signal as well from Bitcoin. So Ethereum side, Bitcoin side, you are looking at a tool that can tell you when to jump in. So real briefly, that is where you should have gone. And now where to buy your Bitcoin? Well, I have my BlockFi pulled up here. It's one of the best in order to be able to store your Bitcoin safely, as well as accrue up to 8.6% interest as a savings account. Just put your crypto and savings together. Just knock those two words together. It just sounds good. So for now, thanks to getting that buy signal, I'm feeling pretty bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm going to go and jump in on a little bit of them myself. If you guys wanted your own $250 of free Bitcoin, then jump into the BlockFi link in the description to get yours. Especially since the price is so low, you're going to get more Bitcoin. And so in that sense, it's just free money with extra free money on the side. Like, can I get a side of order of fries with extra fries on the side? Now we're going to talk about that AMC and GME market. What exactly happened today? Well, giving you guys a small look on the price action here. We have AMC on the left, GME on the right. Actually, this is both AMC. Let's get GME on the right. Double AMC today. We had this 50% retracement for AMC. Now get back down to it, right? This is from the January squeeze. We were supported by here for a brief moment. If you were looking at only the resistance and supports, you might have been confused because the resistance here at 1312 and the next one at 1260, those were drawn out by me personally. But if you didn't have the 1280 retracement, you might have been confused why there was consolidation here. Now from there, we were looking at a bearish pennant being formed here, a wedge downward from a downtrend. And from this, let me see if I can get a little marker in here. Maybe I can't. let's see Epic Pen pop up here. We were able to see a bearish pennant that dropped us down even further. This actually dipped us down here. So this downtrend and up inward, consolidating, and then dipping below that 50% retracement. So with AMC's delicious deal, can we see another pennant forming, slowly wedging upward and trying to take the 1260 as a level of support rather than resistance? So we have AMC steadily climbing back up from a low of 1227 today. On the GME side, almost running in exact tandem. Can you tell when I had both of these charts as AMC? Could you tell that they were actually two different charts? Can you tell now? Right? Your eyes aren't deceiving you. These are running in tandem. We have several videos on this channel about exactly why these two stocks run in tandem. You basically have to throw out the theory that it's ETFs. They're trading in the same ETFs. They're trading the same bundles. Must be why the prices move in tandem. Not exactly. It's basically the manipulators seeing points of strength and then shorting the stocks at the same time, right? It's when they have ammunition, and since we have the data from Ortex, we are able to understand when they have the ammunition. They had all the ammunition on the table when AMC had like 1.5 million shares available to borrow and drove down the cost to borrow all the way down to the single digits in the past few days. That is in comparison to a 240% cost to borrow from just a week ago, less than a week ago. Go and check out Ortex yourself in the description if you want to take a look. So retaking the VWAP here but being rejected means that we are now going to have some pretty tight consolidation between 170 and 171. So it is a great time to buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy that, let's see, create new order, pop up somewhere. Webull, you know what, Webull, why we have to put in our secret password, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then create new order. Okay, I'm going to create a new order and buy another $500 of AMC and GME right when that camera turns off, because I like this stock. And as we are rising up to 90,000 subscribers, I'm going to be buying another $10,000 of AMC and GME. So thank you guys for coming to this part of the show, because you guys need to know when to buy those crypto plays and the AMC and GME plays. And we will see you guys in the after hours. Actually, we'll see you guys during Power Hour into the after hour straight up coverage. For now, but not for forever, we'll see you in the money. Thanks to those of you who make this show possible. And for now, peace. It's Baymax.